In the deserts of Nevada, behind layers of top-secret clearance, the US military has been conducting tests that defy conventional warfare. Tests so advanced, they make today's fighter jets look like ancient history. This isn't just about staying ahead, it's about controlling the future. And what we've uncovered changes everything. November 1990. Baghdad's air defenses were the most advanced in the Middle East. But when the F-117 Nighthawk flew over Iraq, their radars saw nothing. For the first time in history, a jet had become invisible. And here's the terrifying part. This technology was already 10 years old when the world saw it. The F-117's flat panels were a calculated compromise. We now know curved stealth works better. So why did Lockheed use flat surfaces? Because in the 1970s, their computers couldn't calculate curved radar deflection. They hacked physics with slide rules. Then came the B-2 Spirit, a $2 billion flying wing that can nuke anywhere on Earth without detection. For 34 years, no nation has replicated it. Not Russia, not China. Why? Because stealth isn't just about shape. It's about material science so advanced, it might as well be alien technology. In 1964, Soviet radars detected something impossible, an aircraft moving at Mach 3.3 at 85,000 feet. The SR-71 Blackbird wasn't just fast, it was untouchable. Missiles, too slow. Interceptors couldn't climb high enough. And its skin expanded in flight from the heat, requiring special fuel that wouldn't explode. Today, Lockheed's SR-72 promises Mach 6 speeds, not with rockets, but with a revolutionary combined cycle engine. It breathes air like a jet at low speeds, then morphs into a scramjet at hypersonic velocities. China's DF-17 missile? It's a dumb projectile compared to this. And then there's HAWC, the hypersonic air-breathing weapon concept. Unlike ballistic missiles, this AI-controlled scramjet can dodge, weave, and pick its own targets at 5,000 miles per hour. The Pentagon tested it in 2021 and never showed the footage. Why? Because some advantages are better kept in the shadows. Since 2010, a robot spaceplane called the X-37B has been conducting classified missions in Earth's orbit. Some last 900 days. What's it doing? The Air Force says experiments. Russian generals claim it's a satellite killer. The truth? It's testing next-gen space warfare tech right over our heads. Then there are the whispers of Aurora, a hypersonic spy plane that may have flown in the 1990s, of TR-3B, a nuclear-powered anti-gravity craft, of NGAD, the sixth-gen fighter that replaces the F-22 with AI drone swarms. Are these real? The Pentagon won't say, but history shows, where there's smoke, there's usually a Skunk Works jet. The next war won't be fought by pilots, but by algorithms. The US is already testing loyal wingman drones that dogfight autonomously, directed energy weapons that melt incoming missiles, even quantum radar that could end stealth forever. China's copying our last-generation tech, while we're building systems that render theirs obsolete. This is the real US advantage. Not just better jets, but a system designed to stay ahead forever. Every breakthrough has two successors in development. Every declassified project has 3 black programs behind it. The game isn't just winning, it's changing the rules so no one else can play. Right now, somewhere in the Nevada desert, the next revolution is taxiing to the runway. In 5 years, we'll see it. In 10 years, our enemies will fear it. And in 20 years, the world will finally understand it. This isn't just aerospace dominance. It's a time machine. And America, we're already living in the future. What do you think is inside those hangars? Comment below.